How's everybody doing on this spooky, spectacular night on Thursday? This is Spectacular Mon Anthony. Hey, everybody. Ooh, hey, Pikachu. Hey, Pikachu. We're going to put Pikachu over here on the coffin. You all right, Pikachu? Yeah, I'm all right. All right, well, we're going to open up. I believe we'll open up this ball right here, this white Pokemon ball. Let's get started. Let's move some stuff around here so we got some room. Oh, there goes my pumpkin. That's all right. Let's open this up. Let's see what we can get, y'all. Let's see what we can get. Get this Pokemon ball here. I hope everybody's staying spectacular on this spooky, spectacular Thursday. Hope everybody's having a great, spooky October. I know I am. I'm missing my sons, but you know what? I sent them a bunch of stuff the other day, a big old box of clothes and toys and books, and they'll be getting that soon. So here we go. Let's see what kind of packs we get, y'all. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, okay. Okay. City in Flames. We'll take it. Paradox Rift. Another Paradox Rift. Ooh, and then here's some stickers. Okay. Okay. That's cool. Could put those on my case. All right, let's put this Pokeball up. Let's get that out of the way and let's start opening packs. Let's do a Paradox Rift first. All right, let's see what we can get, y'all. Come on, bangers, bangers. Let's get it. Always love that sound of them ripping open there, the pack. There's a code card. All right, come on. Let's get it. Fly away, birdie, fly away. Pansar. All right. Wiglet. All right, that's pretty cool. Ancient Booster. Professor. All right, come on. Come on. Zubat. Ah, that's all right. That's all right. Basic energy. That's all right.